Hi friends, today we will see the relation between roots of quadratic equation and coefficients. For that, let us see alpha and beta are the roots of the quadratic equation ax square plus bx plus c is equal to 0. Then alpha plus beta is equal to minus b plus under root b square minus 4ac upon 2a plus minus b minus under root b square minus 4ac upon 2a. Here denominator of both are equal, so directly we can add or subtract. Minus b plus or minus only plus b square under root b square minus 4ac minus b minus under root b square minus 4ac. Here minus under root b square minus 4ac and plus under root b square minus 4ac will get cancelled, and minus b will become minus 2b. So finally it will become minus 2b upon 2a, and 2 will get cancelled with 2, and finally alpha plus beta is equal to minus b upon a. Now we will see the relation between alpha multiplied by beta. Alpha, as usual, you know the value of alpha, minus b plus square root b square minus 4ac upon 2a multiplied by minus b minus root b square minus 4ac upon 2a. If we multiply both these terms, we get minus b plus under root b square minus 4ac whole bracket multiplied by minus b minus under root b square minus 4ac upon 4a square. If you solve this, we will get b square minus in the bracket b square minus 4ac upon 4a square. Solving further, we get 4ac upon a square, 4ac upon a square, 4 will get cut, a from a square will get cut, and remaining part will be c upon a, that is product of alpha and beta is c upon a. With the help of this, you have to solve the solved examples along with the exercise. See, one solved example is there. Alpha and beta are the roots of quadratic equation 2x square plus 6x minus 5 is equal to 0. Then find alpha plus beta and alpha multiplied by beta. Compare this equation with ax square minus bx plus c, and just put the values here. A is 2, b is minus 6, b is 6 and c is minus 5. Alpha plus beta is, as we have seen before, minus b upon a, so it will be minus 6 upon 2, which is minus 3, and alpha into beta is c upon a, that is minus 5 upon 2. This is the answer. Just go through all this solved example. Next part we will see to obtain the quadratic equation having given roots. Let alpha and beta be the roots of the quadratic equation in variable x. Then x is equal to alpha or x is equal to beta. X minus alpha is equal to 0 or x minus beta is equal to 0. Alpha x minus alpha multiplied by x minus beta is equal to 0. Then x square minus in the bracket alpha plus beta x plus alpha beta is equal to 0. When two roots of a equation are given, then quadratic equation can be obtained as x square minus addition of roots into x plus product of roots. See, one activity is given. Go through this activity. Write down the quadratic equation if addition of the roots is 10 and product of the root is 9 as given above. X square minus addition of roots. Here addition of roots is 10 plus in an next block you have to write product of the roots. The product of the roots given is 9 is equal to 0. Just go through this example. Solved examples are there, and on page number 49 practice set 2.5 is given. Solve this 2.5 as an homework. With this we will end the chapter after one topic. Just do the homework.